Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and running your first containers. Install Docker Engine or Docker Desktop and enable virtualization or WSL2 so the daemon runs reliably. Reboot when prompted. Once done, create a Docker ID and authenticate with Docker login to access images. Then verify installation by running Docker version and Docker run hello world. These steps confirm the client, daemon, and network are working. From here, you can pull images and build confidently, without guessing which layer failed. Now you'll build and execute a working container image. Create a Docker file with a base image, copy source, install dependencies, then set CMD or entry point so the container knows what to run. Next, build with Docker build tmyapp latest, and run with Docker run p8080, 80d myapp latest. This maps ports and detaches. Make sure to inspect runtime with Docker PS and Docker logs, and enter shells using Docker execut container bash. When done, stop or restart containers with Docker stop / start to iterate quickly. Finish by orchestrating services and handling persistence. Define a Docker compose. Iml to declare services, environment, ports, and volumes, then run Docker compose upd to launch the full stack. Use volumes to persist databases and state across container restarts, creating them with Docker volume create or declaring them in compose. If something fails, check Docker logs for errors, use Docker inspect to view container configuration, and verify networks and port bindings. As a tip, prune unused images and volumes cautiously to free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.